how you experience the importance of delicacy yourself. Are you delicate enough to understand the importance of having cognition of your indelicacy? I don't explain the following. It goes without saying that delicate people understand their indelicacy. Conversely, indelicate people do not understand their indelicacy. Hence, you need to be delicate enough to understand how you are indelicate. This should be the basis of bases of so many things, how you obtain comprehensively. It doesn't matter which field you belong to. Then it matters as long as you are studying some areas of science. You have to be delicate enough to feel and understand how you are indelicate. It is a blessing for you to understand how you are indelicate. To understand how you are indelicate shall be the beginning for you to be delicate. To experience the basis of this matter, the Japanese culture is pretty valuable for the experience. I'd like you to deepen some areas of Japanese culture, especially I'd like to experience the gorgeousness of the subtle and profound, the value of the subtle and profound. Human in Japanese shall be pretty fundamental for you to be delicate. To feel the subtlety of things is necessary. Certainly, I'd like you to distinguish the difference between the two, this one here and that one there. It seems like those are similar or the same. It is alright. You feel those are the same or similar. This can be pretty critical for you to distinguish the difference between the two. This one, that one there, even though they're similar each other. To recognize how they are different, you need to be delicate enough to experience the difference between the two. As for your experience, the subtlety, you need to be comprehensively polished to be more delicate. One of important pieces of experience will be how you deepen the matters tranquilly. Breathing in the sphere of tranquility gives you a chance to be profound. the experience of essence is derived from how you experience the things tranquilly. Unfortunately, human beings are surrounded by so many noises. Noise doesn't give you anything at all. Tranquility gives you countless opportunities to be more delicate. Listen to your heart, especially listen to the voice in the core of your existence. You're ready to see the real path you need to experience. The real path shall be given to you through experiencing tranquil processes, through renouncement of your self-centered ego. Self-centered ego doesn't give you anything at all. What you need is purity in your heart. If you are pure enough, then you're ready to receive so many real matters. There's nothing fake in them. On the other hand, if you're twisted, you have a lot of hard time to recognize what they are. I hope you live every day immaculately, purity and integrity are necessary for human beings to be in the presence of the essence. I assume that I'm entitled to finish the lecture now.